today we will be watching memes. Actually, wait, no, we won't. I lied. Wow, I'm so used to saying that. We will be watching me again. We're watching a video of me laughing funny. You guys liked the last video of me laughing funny. So today we are gonna watch part 2 of me laughing funny. Kind of like a goose, kind of like something stuck in the vacuum, maybe a little bit of both. All right, if you enjoyed these videos, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and we will keep watching all sorts of recycled slop. Also, if you haven't checked out my new channel, link is down in the description. I kind of just yap there, so if you're interested in checking that out, link is down below. So I noticed last time that I covered Fat Blarg, so we're actually going to be on top of Fat Blarg, and Fat Blarg will be our little power bottom. So we're on top, Fat Blarg down here. Boom, that's how we'll be. I don't have my green screen today, so I'm not just going to be a guy. Fat Blarg is also covered by chat, but maybe that's not such a bad thing. All right, no longer Fat Blarg reacts to Fat Blarg while you guys react to us watching something. Anyway.
Watch. Guy,
if this is a rat jumping out of the car, we're starting off strong.
Pulls up to you and gets out of the car and looks like this.
It's the rat getting out of the car. Oh, yeah, shit. I'm sorry. Hold on. All right, we're going to rewatch that anyway, because that clip is just a banger. The channel today is Runal Wazlib again. Hold on, let me scroll up so you can see them right there. You snipe them, their name right there. Make sure you go check out their video. Leave a little like. Let them know that they're killing it.
Watch. Guy pulls up to you and gets out of the car and looks like this.
Oh, God, dude, that shit was so fucking funny. He did do that. He did just die.
Gotta see that.
I love how it disappeared from my chair for a minute.
Oh my god, that's so funny. Did you guys see the Nair video?
Oh my god.
I heard about it.
Don't watch it.
Isn't Nair the stuff that just like pulls hair off your body?
Yeah, and some guy did a tutorial on how to remove hair from your ass. And he
What's his channel? What's his channel?
YouTube.
What's his channel? What's his channel?
Just look up how to remove hair from your ass, and it has 20 million views in 5 days.
How to share your... Oh, wait, hold on.
For reference, this is how hairy my butt is right now.
Oh!
Yeah, Blarg saw the video. There it is.
Yeah. Dude, you know what's crazy? It's scarred into my fucking brain. I know exactly what that dude's hairy butthole looks like. Like, exactly what that guy's hairy butthole looks like.
That was it. Dude, that was in the first five seconds.
How does that motherfucker... That video also had an ad, by the way. I want to point out that this guy gaping his butthole has an ad. If I literally say, like, poo-poo stinky butt in the first fucking 30 hours of my YouTube channel, they just nuke me. I don't understand how this guy had a gaped, hairy butthole, and I can't do that. I'll get in trouble.
This is how hairy my butt is.
Yeah, it's way worse than you could ever imagine.
He's spreading that shit, bro. You can see.
Yeah.
You can see out.
Dude,
his
you can
mouth.
see out his
That's
mouth.
how
Yeah.
deep you can see into his asshole. Dude, what the fuck?
It's like a human telescope.
Can you fight, Frank?
Yeah, you can, but he's like infinitely stronger.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh, damn,
Oh my
open the
god.
door.
Dude, this video is so funny.
Power in the backyard. This is so
Imagine
dumb.
this at a real party, bro. You have on the air conditioning right now,
Grabbing a
man.
beer out of the cabinet. I'm gonna literally murder you, guy.
Is this a fucking horror game? This is a fucking horror game.
Is Drake really objective? Maybe it's not even a hug bitch.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I miss these Goons gaming videos. It was just impossible to get us four together because this channel made no money or anything. It was just for fun. Dude, these were so funny. Oh my god. The Bully series and this series, they were so good, dude.
3, 2, 1, go.
Blarg.
Did you fall off? Did you fall off? one person on the hang glider.
You might have just left it at me. Oh my god, that was the saddest thing I've ever seen. Just the way you looked back at me with your hand reached out. Oh, so fucking
Oh,
I think the fire exit might be like low, maybe.
Yeah, it's definitely not up. Oh, I know where it is. I lied. I know where it is. Follow the way.
For sure.
Yep.
We have like
Hopefully.
no time. We're gonna fucking.
Don't. Do not follow me.
Kidding me, bro? That was the way.
I know where it
Dead body flies away.
Oh fuck. Oh, so funny.
I didn't know where it is. How positive you were with that. Like, I know where it is.
I thought we were on the other map.
That's
said
how
we
we
know where
died.
it
We
is.
Oh my
drowned to
god.
death.
Oh.
Grant,
I will
you know
save
what?
us.
We went out as a team. That's what's
I
important.
killed myself for $70. Boys,
is. It was nice knowing you.
Oh, it was an honor and a
Oh,
pleasure, boys.
fuck.
I'd say it was
I had a
nice
good
knowing you, but
time.
I hated every second of it.
Who is clicking? Do.
That's two. Are you sucking on your mom's nipple right now? It's a feeding time for dude.
At lunchtime.
Dude getting breastfed. ASMR.
It's getting his daily nutrition.
I get tired mid-session. Get in here, dude, bro.
Oh,
I'm sure we
fuck.
do this joke.
Like sucking her titty and playing guitar for some people.
Please stop.
That would be
Single
amazing.
man.
I love that the only time McNasty calls me by my actual name is when he wants me to shut the fuck up and stop laughing. It's literally the only time he calls me Matt. Every other time is Blarg. Even in person, I think he called me Blarg the entire time.
Yeah. Name a song.
I'm not very good at this guitar. Just kidding, I am.
I only know how to play this one. Oh, so good. It's one song.
Just kidding, I can play every note at once.
I didn't even see it coming. Just flew into that wall like 100 miles an hour. Dude,
What the
fuck is a wolf?
In the moment of post-nut clarity,
What is that image, dog? Hold on. What is that? What the fuck is even that image? What is... Optimus Lime is fucking... Jesus Christ.
that? Me when I
Wait.
found out-
McNasty's fucking
wait.
this round all up.
What are you doing?
Whoever played that, we played like the same card.
No way. You're a liar.
Found
No.
out Gundam style is K-pop.
All right.
Moment of post-nut clarity, I realized that.
It's the same
Can't tell which one's the original.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, gee, I don't know. Which one could be the original?
If you look at the Mario one, there's like a proper like
The odds
shadow behind
How
him.
did we play the same card, but totally not?
same format.
Oh my god.
The worst part is I feel like this happened multiple times with us where we have all played like the same card but slightly different.
Damn it.
With bass arrow.
With bass arrow. How did that not even make it to
Shortest arrow I've ever seen in my life.
What is wrong with you?
Might as well have thrown it at him.
No, Puffer, it's time to find the warden.
All right.
All right, guys.
How did I even do that?
I don't know.
You do it like super limp.
All right.
No, it was
right.
bad.
It was like a block of distance.
Love the Minecraft series. Don't blame me. I was having fun. I would have kept playing it. All right. Nobody else wanted to except for me. So whatever. Never play Minecraft again, I guess.
I ate glass. I hope I get kidnapped soon. I'm bleeding a lot.
Damn, bro. There it is! Matt is right there!
Are you fucking kidding me?
Fucking kidding me? Baby nappers right there. There it is.
Yeah, dude.
Also, extra lore for this. The session was over for like half an hour and me and Puffer just stayed to try to get kidnapped. Nobody else cared. Smitty and Grizzy, I think it was, did not give a fuck. We were just trying to get kidnapped the whole time. They didn't believe us that it was real.
Are you?
Bro, what are the odds?
Are you?
I'm done.
That's the lore of why we were
kidding me?
upset.
I'm done.
Because, yeah, we waited for an extra half an hour.
No shot.
That's so dumb.
No way. Dude.
Get down.
Oh my god, this game. Oh my god.
How do I get down?
Dude.
I can't do anything. This is so stupid.
I feel like this is what was going on in prehistoric times. I'm just bashing McNasty in the head with a rock while some guy no clips around.
Dude. Oh, dude, I'm fucking crying.
I jumped backwards, bro.
I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
That's insane. Why was he flying? We have no idea at all. Zero clue. He just started doing that. He thinks like he tried to jump on something, but it ran away and it still counted. Like the game still thought he was on it and he was not. And yeah, he was riding nothing. There was nothing there.
I think we have to reset. I think we have to reset. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Dirty people at the same time.
What happened? They fell off.
Oh my god.
To be fair, I get it. That is, it does come up on you quick.
Blarg jumped off the
Dude.
I was on the side too.
Fucking
Two
A.
people ran off this way. The Blarg just went.
Yeah, look at these guys. They're having a good time.
My room has never smelled so bad.
Holy shit!
Dude, this feels like breaking the fourth wall. You guys can see where my office door is. It's right there. It's to the right of my setup. Feels illegal to see that part of my office.
You fucked the camera. Fix the camera. I didn't realize it.
I don't even know where it went!
It's behind the desk.
Who missed that badly? Sorry, chat. My green screen, it really fell over that time. I had a green
I
screen.
like how you just see Mr. Beast on my ceiling. Mr. Beast's still there, by the way. Mr. Beast's still on my ceiling.
But chat, my green screen. Maybe let's stop dropping the green screen after my. What the fuck? Bro, really throw me under the butt like that. He really throw me under the water.
How'd you even get them to do that? It was their idea. They came over to swim. We were literally just like, I think it was like, it was pretty late. I feel like it was 10 or 11 p.m., whatever. And yeah, we just wanted to come over and swim at my house because I keep my pool really fucking hot. And it was in September. So I was like, yeah, we'll swim. And they were like, oh, you should go live. And then they're like, oh, just pretend like you're just streaming normally. I was like, okay. And then, yeah, that was it.
Under the bus.
Man, you just gonna throw me under the worm like that?
My new favorite.
I'll put you under the worm, right?
You gonna throw me under the worm like that?
No way. No way.
Dude, this game is funny as fuck.
He just kept running. He just kept running for his life. Well, on the bright side, at least it's distracted.
Oh, hey, Pezzy. Is he there? Oh, he's there, right?
Pezzy was there. Dude, I
He's
love
only
these games.
bullying him.
I'm not gonna lie, I miss when Friend Slop was like peak. Like every game was Friend Slop. I love Friend Slop, dude. I feel like it, Detroit. I feel like it also leads to like me having one-on-one time with like a content creator I normally wouldn't have a ton of one-on-one time with because we kind of record different things. Like someone like Pezzy or something, where it's like we don't normally have a one-on-one recording. So it's like when you're kind of just stuck by, you know, yourselves, you two, I feel like it gives you a chance to make content with just them. And I love that aspect of like Friend Slop games. I don't know. Maybe I'm weird. Maybe some people don't like it. I hate how quickly some games popularity drops. I mean, we played like Lethal Company, Repo. We played those for like a year, both of them, like each. So they didn't really fall off that quick for us.
Please!
What the fuck? I just fell through the middle
Oh
thing.
my god.
Bro. Bro.
Oh my god, this game.
What the fuck are we doing, actually?
It's great.
Oh! This is pathetic. My parents would be ashamed of me.
I feel like I'm whoring myself out over something I just don't support.
We have played Lockdown Protocol quite a few times, actually. I think the first time I played it was with Fitz, Toby, Schlatt, maybe, question mark? I can't remember who else was there. Nopify, maybe? I can't remember who else was there.
Something you don't support. Look at me, like, just violating myself right now.
I just am morally obligated to not be here.
So bad.
You know what's crazier? There's footage from this game I could never use where you literally just fling shit with corn in it at each other. Like it's like a first-person shooter.
What are we doing, bro? Bell guys, too? I'm a hot dog on a unicycle.
What the hell? You went flying. Holy shit.
Oh my god. I'm crying.
This is broken.
The first part?
Dude, the purple part, the spinny part, you just fall through
Fall
it.
through it. Yeah.
Has anyone made it past
For the
this?
Goons. Soup's been out of the Goons for like probably over a year now. I mean, we're still like very good friends. Nothing has changed content-wise. He's just not on the podcast anymore. We now have Swags. Like he is technically like a part of the Goons via like the brand. Like he has ownership in the brand, but like, yeah, he's not on the podcast.
The first obstacle.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Hot dog on the unicycle.
My abs hurt so bad.
I just keep getting. I'm not hitting fucking anything, bro.
I completely forgot this game
I
existed, dude.
keep fucking dying. I'm not hitting shit. Fuck
Oh
this
my
game.
God.
You literally cannot win in this game.
Incredible. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching Blarg Funny Laugh 2. I hope I gave you some extra insight to some content that you may have seen in the past, but now you know a little bit more about how exciting. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.